Alrighty, so we're back with Cocktails with Mike, and we are bringing you our second cocktail of the day. So let's get into it, man. What is this one called first? Sorry.
It's actually called the Gospel Retreat.
Did you make this yourself?
Yeah, it's a OG recipe of mine. It's pretty much like a daiquiri, but with rye whiskey instead of rum, and lemon juice instead of lime, and a little bit of pomegranate.
Lovely.
And actually, yeah, mint to freshen it up. It's a bit of a tropical take on rye whiskey daiquiri.
Yep.
Yeah, so we're using rye whiskey, which is from Brunswick.
Okay, yes.
Brunswick in Melbourne.
Support local.
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah, it's quite easy. It's a 4 ingredient recipe.
Yep.
You can start off with putting mint leaves in your shaker.
In my shaker? All right,
Yeah.
so first things first. Pop the shaker lid. Bang. Let's get right into it. So this is the, what is it again? The whiskey?
Gospel Retreat.
Gospel Retreat.
Yeah.
Gospel Retreat.
That's it.
Hell yeah.
So when you think about retreat, you think about like a holiday, a tropical getaway or
Yeah.
something.
Done.
Cool. So put some mint leaves in there, just pluck them away.
Pluck them. Yep.
Yeah.
And am I clapping them or just popping them in?
Well, when you shake it with ice, it'll actually express everything.
Okay, perfect.
So
Awesome.
just pop them in, like you're plucking feathers.
The first few cocktails I was making, I started muddling them. And
Nah, sometimes you get a lot.
blasphemy.
Yeah.
Literally blasphemy, because mint leaves bruise really. Mint leaves bruise really
They bruise really
easily.
easy.
Yeah, and that releases just too much of the oils, right?
Like any herb, like you don't want to muddle sage leaves or anything.
Thank you.
Maybe a few more.
Couple more?
Yeah.
Awesome. I love the smell of mint.
It's pretty good.
Just reminds me of like having like my teeth freshly brushed.
Yeah.
Like,
It reminds me of like not ever working again.
yeah.
Cool.
Relax.
Yeah. Easy.
Retreat.
That's exactly what it is. All right, then we'll go simple syrup.
Simple syrup? Yeah, how much of that one?
20 mil.
20 mils, okay.
20 mils of simple.
Straight in.
Bang. Sorry. Yep.
Perfect. Thank you.
Normally I'll go a little bit higher, but we're using pomegranate as well, which is a sweetener.
Okay, yep.
So only 20 mil.
I'll pop this one here for you.
Yeah. Cool. Now lemon juice, we'll do 22.5.
Yep.
Yeah,
So-
3/4 ounce.
Cocktails at home, 22.5. Just use your eye.
Yeah.
Like it.
22.5 mil or 3/4 ounce of lemon juice. Yeah. Or use your eye. Easy.
There we go. That looks alright.
That's pretty good.
Sweet.
Yeah.
22.5, right in there.
Right in After the lemon juice, we'll go pomegranate. Just 1 bar spoon of pomegranate.
Yep.
Not too much. This stuff is really thick, so literally gotta give it some time.
Oh wow.
Super, yeah.
It's kind of like honey. It looks like molasses. Yeah, I'll use
It's-
molasses.
yeah, it
Pomegranate
is.
molasses.
Yeah. There you go.
You just said that.
Pomegranate molasses. So put that in there and kind of like,
let it
Yeah.
fall. That's so thick. Wow.
it's really thick.
It's pretty cold today too.
There you go.
Fighting the Melbourne
The
winter.
beauty of Melbourne winter, cloudy, rain, sun, everything.
Oh wow. Sorry, I was barely tipping that. There we go.
Yeah.
Yeah, come on, Josh.
Come on. Yeah, should be good.
Like that. Wow. Alright,
Cool.
mine's gonna be really sweet.
Just move it around. in
Move it
there.
around?
Yeah.
Give it a little move.
It'll just bring that color and tartness to the drink.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, epic. Sorry, just
Sweet.
trying to get it out there. Looks alright.
Yeah, that's good. Perfect.
Thank you, chef.
And last but not least, rye whiskey.
Yep.
We'll do 2 whopping ounces of that.
And must I say, like, this is really delicious whiskey. So, is this the Solera style as well?
Flare
like this?
style, yeah. So
Yeah.
that's quite very different way of doing whiskey. They like kind of good to see it. Like they have the barrels all rolled up, and they slowly start distilling from each other
Yep.
into the final pit. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Like a super fancy way of doing it.
Yeah, actually.
Yeah.
Because like most people just chuck it straight in the drum and just
Yeah,
do
no,
it too mature.
it's quite nice to see it. So
I just love their bottles. Like I'm a sucker for anything green. Like
it's really nice, right?
yeah, like when I saw them at like a whiskey event, I saw the bottle. I was like, this
Like
is
minimal
sick.
label, like they have the glass,
Etched in.
yeah, edged in.
Melted in.
Thank you.
Made in. I don't even know. I don't think it's etching. It's alright, man. So 45 was it?
60.
60.
Yeah,
Oh,
double shots.
hell yeah. Alright, you're speaking my language.
No 45 mils here.
Hell yeah. I love that.
Sweet.
That's a cocktail worth buying.
Yeah, for sure. That's it. So we just put ice in the tin.
Ice into that? Yep, cool. I can
And-
definitely do that. And like a handful or so, yeah?
Yeah, we wanted to really chill it.
Perfect.
Yeah. Cool.
Dang, I'll swing this over to you.
Thank you,
It's
sir.
okay. Ready?
Smells good, right?
Smells delicious. Wow.
Because that mint and
Pomegranate in there. It's got that
pomegranate.
sour smell
Yeah.
to it. Yeah. I love sour. Like I accidentally ate a lemon the other day and I thought it was an orange. I thought it was an underripe orange.
Underripe orange. How was it?
It was so sour.
Your face must have went like.
I enjoyed it, but
Yeah.
like I gave it to my partner and yeah, she just was like, dude,
Oh my
this is a
God.
lemon. Like straight away, she's like, this is burning my tongue off. Okay, we're shaking these.
Yeah, we're shaking it.
Shaking it.
Shake it with
away.
the life, yeah.
Shake.
Yeah.
And you just kind of go till you feel it's cold enough here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now?
Woo!
Cool. Alright, after you shake it,
Yep.
now we grab our strainer
Yep, perfect.
and
Double strain it.
Yeah, double strain it because we have mint in there.
Epic. Oh, look at the color of that. Wow.
Yeah. Super nice.
I'm a smell guy, man. Like drinks get me on the smell. This. Oh
It's all
wow.
about the smells, right?
It smells delicious.
The first thing you do is you smell it and then you see it. So visually and like how it smells,
Thank
is
you.
how you taste it.
Yeah, actually.
Cool.
Yeah, I'm a visual and smell guy. Like taste kind of comes last to me, to be honest. I
Yeah,
think.
sure.
Smoke too many vapes.
Wow, yours actually was better than mine. Well done.
You're a good teacher. What can I
Look at
say?
that.
Thank you. Do I just let that leap? What do I do
Yeah, you
with
can
this?
just tap
Kinda
it with
tap
the shaker.
Oh yeah.
Or your
My
hand.
hand.
Yeah, nothing wrong with that.
This is your drink. I've never made this before, man.
That looks great. No, that looks perfect.
Epic. Hell yeah. Look at the color of that. Okay, and then are we going to garnish this? Because I feel it's not a cocktail if it doesn't have a garnish.
Yeah. So we're gonna show it lemon zest that we already prepared.
Like little fingers.
Yeah.
Yes. Hell yeah. That looks so cute. So this is just the rind of
Yeah,
the lemon.
just the lime zest.
Some little
and,
slices in it. Beautiful.
Little slices, making it nice and pretty.
Epic.
You can
And-
put that anywhere you want. I'll go right here.
Let me figure out.
There's a little slice on there.
Ah, yes.
It's sort of like something like that.
All right, that's how you did your. All right, cool. I'm gonna copy you.
Yeah. However,
Wait, get that finger out.
getting the fingers out. Cool.
Oh, that looks sick. Can I do it?
Yeah. That should be fine.
That's me.
It's hanging for dear life. Or you can clip it.
I think I'm gonna clip it. Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
gonna clip. I'm gonna peg it.
Just peg it.
Let's peg it. Here we go.
At the end of the day, we're just gonna drink this, right?
Yeah, I know, but I'm just. Man, I'm
Sucker for
fascinated with
garnishes, yeah.
making them pretty, but like it gets to the point actually where you go.
Yeah.
Stop it. Let's drink it.
Cool.
And then this inside.
Yep. Slap the mint.
Slap it.
Always remember to slap the mint. That'll release those aromas. Keep slapping.
Giddy up. It's literally like Melbourne Cup. Come on, last 100 meters. Pulls out the mint Sprig.
Oh no!
Look, I think the clip was a great idea.
I think I might clip it.
Yeah, clip is a great idea.
Alright, let's clip these bad boys.
Wow. And those glasses, these are in coupe glasses, and I just think the coupe has just added that
Yeah.
little bit of like just luster.
yeah.
I'm gonna say luster.
Luster, there you go.
Luster.
I've never heard that word, but we'll use it. That's it.
Oh man, delicious. So this is the
The
Gospel Retreat.
Exactly.
Cocktails with Mike.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, man.
Salute.
Epic. Salute. Cheers, guys. Cheers to you. Cheers to you. Cheers to me. And let's enjoy
it.
this. Hell yeah.
Smell
Thank
it?
you.
It's really nice.
Oh, wow. It's like sherbety.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that is like a candy.
Bro,
Candy drink. Wow,
nice
that's
is
delicious.
that?
Wow. Thank you so much.
That's actually really nice.
Wow. Kind of like a little bit honey in
Yep.
a way as well. I don't know where
Yeah.
it came from, but it tastes awesome. All right. Well, thank you so much for watching. And maybe we'll be back with Mike for another informational, educational session. Cheers.
Easy.
Thanks,
Thank
fella.
you.
Appreciate
Thank
it,
you.
man.
Of course.